Are you looking for a real make money online? Here is the website squishcash.com. There is simply task to complete. You will see live prof. Just you complete a survey and get reward and earn money online from Squish Cash website. It highly recommended. It is real and trusted website to earn money. First you join here and get a $3 reward. Just registered yourself here. Simply fill this form, follow the steps. Making money from survey tasks can be a straightforward way to earn some extra income. Follow these steps and registered yourself. Once you've signed up, log into your account regularly to check for available surveys. Survey availability can vary, so it's important to be proactive in seeking out new opportunities. Some websites may also send you email notifications when new surveys are available. Complete surveys. When you find a survey that interests you, read the instructions carefully and answer the questions honestly. Here you start. Surveys may cover a range of topics such as consumer preferences, product feedback, market trends, or opinion polls. Take your time to provide thoughtful and accurate responses. This is to all earning method. The rewards can vary depending on the length and complexity of the survey. Some websites have a point system where you accumulate points for completing surveys, which can later be redeemed for rewards. Check here. I earn $3. Just simply I sign up here and make more cash to complete survey. Offer legend. Earning a substantial amount of money from surveys requires patience and persistence. Surveys may not always be available, and you may not qualify for every survey you attempt. However, by consistently checking for new surveys and completing them, the best thing is this website to a lots of survey here and which is suitable to you. Decide and get survey and take reward. Simple way to lots of earn money. You can accumulate earnings over time. Remember to approach survey tasks with realistic expectations. While you can earn money from surveys, it's unlikely to replace a full-time income. However, survey tasks can be a convenient and flexible way to make some extra money in your spare time. Making money from survey tasks can be a straightforward way to earn some extra income. When engaging in simple tasks to make money, it's important to consider the time and effort required compared to the potential earnings. While these methods can provide some additional income, your income opportunities to maximize your earning potential. The best way to withdraw your income to your bank account.